Hey Brain Warriors, so I'm here in the Hyperbaric Oxygen Chamber. I've been keeping you guys posted after my surgery. I had anesthesia a while ago, and I had a scan. I wasn't feeling quite right. Felt like I was walking through mud, so I'm going to take you guys on my journey with me through this. I've changed all my products to non-toxic, and one of the things I'm doing is hyperbaric oxygen, and I've had a lot of questions about it. So here I am, I'm in the chamber. There are a couple different types of chambers. I'm in a soft chamber, which means I can have my phone with me, so I thought I would share the experience. And people are asking why hyperbaric oxygen. Well, if you've had any kind of a head injury, which I did in the past, or you've had, like, actually different types of injury in general, what hyperbaric oxygen does is it helps to increase blood flow, and the theory is it helps to your body to produce stem cells to heal. So we just have seen that it, helps the brain to heal and produce plumper, fatter cells. So that's why I am doing this, and I'm going to keep you posted. I'll show before and after scans and see what happens. But here I am. I'm in the chamber, and what's really interesting is when I was in the hospital working as a nurse, we used to use hyperbaric oxygen to heal like really bad wounds that wouldn't heal, or certain types of infections, like bacterial infections. So I had a woman who was an elderly woman who was attacked by a pit bull, and it degloved her arm. She had like sort of thin skin, and it wouldn't heal. So we put her in a hyperbaric oxygen chamber for that. Or there are certain types of infections that just need more like oxygen under pressure, basically is what this is. Like, it's pure oxygen. So it helps tissue to heal. So that's the purpose. So here I am, thought I'd share it with you, and I'll keep you posted as we go. Okay, thanks. Don't forget to tap the bell so you'll get notified when I post videos, and make sure you share with someone you care about, tag someone, and leave me your comments and questions. Thanks.